What's up everyone, we're back with another video. We have a Type R wing that we're gonna install today. I've been debating on whether I wanted this one or the Mugen wing. I still want the Mugen wing, but since I can't find any for sale right now, we decided to just go with this because I really hate the stock one. It's basically nothing. So yeah, I want something that's a little bit longer. We're just gonna swap it over. The condition of this one, it's not too bad. It's pretty straight. The only thing that's like pretty bad is the overspray or drip. It's like dripping from the spray that they did. Someone tried to like paint it or something, and then there's a couple huge cracks here, which I don't know what they're from, but we'll find out once it's on there. Otherwise we'll sell it and get our money back. But regardless, looks like we're gonna need some 3M tape. We have that if we need it. If not, we'll just bolt it on. I don't care. Which we probably will need some 3M tape. Sand all this out. So yeah, let's do it. We're gonna start by removing this plastic trim, because that's what all the bolts are behind that in order to remove it. So all you do is just pull this way. Okay, first thing, there's a screw in this little holder pocket. You can see it in there. I previously broke it. I just yanked it out a while back, changing out the LED lights. But yeah, unscrew it before you open anything. Now, from the looks of it, we got one bolt here, and then same one on the other side. And then we might have to unbolt this. We'll see. We'll start by unbolting the other sides. From the looks of it, it looks like we need to take these out too. So all we do is insert a socket in there small enough to push all 4 of those pins out. Okay, as you saw me try to remove the wing right now, and it kind of flexed. We don't want that. So it turns out there is 2 more bolts. They're actually hidden under the light. So I remove these, and they're in here. And they're also 10s. So far, every single bolt has been a 10. Boom. So this part came off. Alright, so now I see how they did it. They did these little sticky things plus the screws, so we might just have to 3M tape the actual Type R wing. So let's test fit it for now, and we'll see with what we have to do, and then how to wire and everything. So boom. Basically that's what it'll look like. It looks so small still compared to the Mugen wing, but for now, this is where we're gonna run. let's do it. All right, we cleaned the entire area up, as you can see. Now we're just gonna install it. We're gonna try with no 3M tape, see how that goes, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so in order to fit that cable from that cable, well, you can't even see it on the screen. In order to fit the cable, that cable from the Type R onto the actual connector for the third brake light, we have to remove this original OEM brake light, drill a hole through the actual hatch, and then install it. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, as you can see, it made a pretty big hole. You don't have to make a hole that big if you're not gonna. Alright. So what I ended up doing was I cut the original connector to the wing. That way I could just fit the wires through and then resplice it. That way I don't have to dig a deeper hole, a bigger hole, because that's a pretty fat hole if I drill that. So don't drill that big of a hole if you don't need to. So just put this back on. There is a lot of play though, so I might have to get some like sticky things. Yeah, look at that. Lord. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some 2-strip, command strip type of things, like those little sticky things right here, or just 3M tape. Put it all under, and that's it. But that'll complete this install, because I'm not trying to go to the store right now. Let's turn on the light and test it out. Okay. Yes, just wait. All right, press it. Yeah, that's way better. That looks so freaking good. I love it. Way better than the OEM one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this install. It's not done all the way because we need to put some double-sided tape on these corners so it doesn't jiggle anymore, but we'll get that done eventually. Stay tuned for more. If you haven't already, check out the install on this Type R bumper. We also have the install of the spoon exhaust, and then we have the install of the Type R brake starter in the front. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting this mini build that we're doing. We need to get this car wrapped next. Hopefully we do it soon. We have the wrap already. It's a gloss wipe provided by Paradox Wraps. So thank you guys again. Stay tuned. We have a lot more in store. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. And yeah, thank you guys.